guys, today we're escalating our defenses. We're building the ultimate zombie trap.
Phase 1, the pitfall. Simple, elegant, and highly effective. You might even call it ingenious. The key is camouflage. They'll never see it coming, literally, because it'll be under their feet.
Behold, the undetectable danger. My finest work, if I do say so myself. Now, we wait. Patience is a virtue, especially when you're baiting the undead.
And speak of the devil, or rather, groan of the undead. Our first test subject.
Any moment now. A prime example of perfect trap placement.
What? Did he just go around it?
Unbelievable. I factored in everything. Except, apparently, their uncanny ability to be subtly inconvenient.
He dodged my masterpiece. To trip on that? My pride is wounded.
Okay, fine. Apparently my genius is too subtle for the undead. Time for an upgrade.
If they can't appreciate finesse, we'll go for direct persuasion.
And for the truly persistent, the old swinging log. Classic, effective, and very thuddy.
If all else fails, the net. It's like a hug, but for zombies. A very constricting hug. Now that is what I call ultimate zombie defense. Layers of ingenuity, just waiting for a customer.
Another brave volunteer. Step right up, folks. You're in for a treat. What in the... Is it mocking me? It's deliberately avoiding them. This is not in the instruction manual. Are they evolving?
Okay, here we go. This one's foolproof. You can't just walk through a swinging log.
Timber. Or rather, zombie. Are you kidding me? It's like they're choreographed to avoid my brilliance. This is a setup. They're clearly messing with me at this point.
Fine. You want to dance? We'll dance. Just needed a minor calibration here. Perfect. This time, it's foolproof. Absolutely no way they can get around.
Thanks for watching, Karemi. Oh, you sneaky.